Hey everyone, we are in your lesson 11 entrance slip packets here. All right, so I know they're entrance slip packets because they are labeled entrance slips. All right, so let's get back down there. Lesson number 11. Oh, wait, so absolute value and magnitude. Very similar ideas here. So from your notes last night, absolute value is distance from zero on a number line. And the magnitude of something is the impact it have. And we find the absolute value in order to consider the impact. So even though it's a negative number, all right, that can have a really big impact. Even though it's a small number, like negative 900 is a small number compared to the number 3. But if I add $3 into my checking account, that's not going to impact. Negative 900, someone takes out $900 out of my checking account. Well, the absolute value of that negative 900 is 900. So we can see that 900 is a lot, much more of an impact. So that's what we're after here. So let's see what we got here. We got Jesse and his family drove up to a picnic area on the mountain in the morning. They followed a trail that led to the summit, 2,000 feet above the picnic area. They then returned to the picnic area for lunch. Lunch, they hiked the trail that led to the mountain overlook, which was 3,500 feet below the picnic. All right, locate and label elevation of the mountain summit and the mountain overlook on a vertical number line. So, okay, let's get a few things that are going on here, what they want, locate and label it there. So, all right, so let's go back. And then when you do these types of questions, you are going to have to kind of read into it and then, kind of go back again and get what they're after. So I've read through it. All right, so let's read again here. In the morning, they followed a trail that led to the mountain 2,000 feet above the picnic area. Okay, so 2,000 feet above the picnic area. So, all right, I do see some tick marks here. So, I guess I could count by thousands if I want to, but I also have 3,500, so I might want to count by 500s. No difference there. You know what? I'm going to count by. All right, let's see what happens here. So if this is my 0, this up here is going to be my 1,000. All right, and that'll be a 2,000, and that'll be a 3,000. Okay. So if in the first part there, it says we are above. Back up there again. Let's see here. Yes, 2,000 feet above the picnic area. Okay, so they follow trail heads amongst the picnic area. Okay, so follow the picnic area in the morning. See, I got to read this 3 or 4 times there. Led to the mountain summit. Okay, so the mountain summit there. So there we go. So that's the summit. Get that label there at the 2,000. All right, so there we go. There we go. We're there. Mountain summit at the. Okay, so that's a positive 2,000 there. Now, they then returned to the picnic area for lunch, okay, and they hiked in a trail that led to the mountain overlook, which is 3,500 feet below the picnic area. Okay, so if I'm going to use it and count by thousands, so that would be a negative 1,000, all right, a negative 2,000, a negative 3,000. There's my negative 4,000. Okay, so that means it has to be right in the middle there. And then that's where the overlook is. Sorry, the spelling here is just atrocious there. Overlook. All right, all right. So we're below it, so negative 3,000. Okay, so it says use absolute value to represent the distance on the number line of each location from the picnic area. Okay, so remember absolute value, the distance from 0. So how far are you away from 0? How far is 2,000 away from 0? Well, it is 2,000 away. How far is negative 3,500 from 0? Well, it's going to be a positive amount because it's a distance. We would travel 3,500 miles. That's there. Okay, so then what is the distance between elevations of the summit and the overlook there? So what is the distance between? All right, so let's get a look here. I'm going to get a new picture down here just so I can kind of, all right, here we go. So if we think about it, This was where the picnic was area was up. We went up to 2,000. All right. We drifted below to 3,500 feet below. So from the absolute value, we know we've got a distance here of 3,500. We know we've got a distance here of 2,000, which means how far? Well, from here to here is 2,000. From here to here is 3,500. We want to know the total distance there. So to figure that out, yes, we would add it together. Now, again, I know that's a negative amount, but when we talk about the distance traveled, it is 3,500 feet. 5,500 feet. All right, there we go. So again, I used absolute value because I've got my 2,000 over here and I've got my 3,500 there. That's taken care of it. So yeah, absolute value, distance from zero, it makes the numbers positive because remember, you can't have a negative distance. All right, guys, enjoy.